Hey guys, we're over at East Eager Street. Want to give you a quick update. They're almost starting the joist tomorrow. They already did floors. You can see the paints. They finished painting out down here. Kind of see what the color looks like. I don't know if we talked about this. This flooring's good down here. It's not totally gonna match. This is a rental, but it's good laminate flooring. There's not any reason for me to rip it up. So I'm just gonna let tenants wear and tear on it until it's finished. I want to show you kind of what the block work looks like. See, the masons came in, and I apologize, there's no lights back here, but they blocked out around the outside. We reran that drain that we talked about. So they just cut it off here, reran it, pushed it down there. I'll just have to make sure the guys test it before we put in the flooring in. And then you'll start to be able to see, and here's all the joist. And I'm sorry it's late at night. I just popped up to Baltimore because I had an event that I'm going to tonight. But here's what the LVP looks like over that subfloor. We also had the electricians come in and start. Bathroom didn't have enough light, so we had to bring it over, install a new light up there. That's a completely new thing because all they had is this ugly, disgusting light. And then all the way up at the very top, and start to see electricians had to take out the floor outlets that we talked about, taking out those floor outlets, putting up at the walls. And the guys wanted to start the flooring. So they started the flooring all the way up to where they had to stop for the floor guys. And then we did a little bit more electrical over here. I think you can see they tied that into the same switch that you turn on the fan light and you get that light. So we're still moving along. And I'll probably give you an update next week in about 4 days. Hopefully most of the stuff will be done other than carpet. And we'll go from there. See you guys.